Well, today's October 19th, and I'm very happy to report that both Screaming Hawk and Awesome Possum are open. So for anyone who wants to visit Chuck or who comes to Chuck all the time, please remember those are the only two trails that are open. The other ones still have either flooding or trees across the trails, and they are not safe to ride. And a big shout out to everybody who worked on Saturday. 65 total man hours went in that day to clear those trails for today.